Hello and welcome to this video. So in today's video I'm going to do a bit of a different video instead of like makeup and stuff. So I'm going to do a video with Florrie, my dog. What are you looking at? So I'm just going to answer like a few questions I found on the internet about like people's pets and stuff. So the first question is, what is your pet's name? And this is Florrie. The second question is, how old is your pet? And Florrie is 7. Third question, how long have you had your pet? We've had Florrie since 2011. What is your pet's favourite activity? Florrie doesn't really do much, so I don't know. What is the naughtiest thing your pet has ever done? I remember when Florrie was like really little, we went out somewhere and then we came back and there was like toilet roll all over, and she just ran around with toilet roll and got it all over the house. You okay there? What is the funniest memory you have with your pet? Florrie's really funny. I don't know. There's quite a few. What's wrong? There's quite a few that I could think of, but one that comes to mind is when she was at my mum's house one time, and we went to the shops and she jumped on the like windowsill and she got stuck and she was just sitting there until we got back, and we were looking out the window. What's the matter? You too hot? And she was just looking out the window waiting for her to come back, but she was like looking straight past, so I don't know if she didn't see me or if she was just ignoring the fact that we'd like left her in the house for like 0.3 seconds to go get like milk or whatever. But yeah. What is your pet's bad habit? Well, Florrie just wants attention all the time. One word to describe your pet. Florrie is very human. Yeah, I would say human, because she's not like a regular dog. She's definitely human. What is a trick you have taught your pet? Florrie doesn't know any tricks. She's a bit she doesn't do stuff like that. And the last question is, does your pet have any nicknames? Yes, Florrie gets called all sorts, like Flor and Flaws and all forms of Florrie. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video. I just wanted to film a video with Florrie because she's my best friend. Oh, we're best friends. Yes. Bye bye. I think part of my outro cut off, but what I was saying is I'm going to see Troye Sivan on Sunday, so I'm going to be like vlogging parts of that, and hopefully I'll get it uploaded on Monday because I'm travelling like all next week. I'm going to Manchester, Bournemouth and Birmingham, so I'm going to be filming some of that. So yeah, there'll be like some vlogs and stuff. I'm going to see Troye in Manchester, and then I'm going to see As It Is in Bournemouth, and then we're spending a couple of days in Birmingham just to like break the journey up, because Bournemouth to Newcastle is like a long way. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and stuff to make sure you don't miss any future videos. And yeah, if you have any like recommendations, I say this in every video, but if you have any recommendations of what I can film, just like leave it down below, because I like have no ideas, but I really want to like get back into doing like weekly videos and stuff. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.